Spring has finally arrived. You know, you've probably cleaned up the yard, planted some flowers, maybe even fired up the grill. But here's something you might not have thought about. When was the last time you did a little spring cleaning for your CPA firm? In a dental practice, your CPA should be more than just a tax preparer. They're your financial partner. The better they understand your practice, the better advice they can give. If it's been a while since you really evaluated that relationship, this might be the perfect time to take a closer look. Does your CPA truly specialize in dental practices, or are you the only dentist on their client list? You deserve someone who understands your world, not just your numbers. Do they reach out proactively to guide you, or only call when there's bad news? A great CPA translates your financial symptoms into a treatment plan for a healthier, more profitable practice. Think about communication. Can you call them freely when you need advice? Or do you hesitate because you know a bill's coming with every question? Strong relationships are built on trust and accessibility, not a surprise invoice. Now, take a look at your bookkeeping and reporting. Are your books handled by a true professional? Do you get consistent monthly reports like your profit and loss statement, your balance sheet, and your cash flow statement? Clean books mean clarity, and clarity means better decisions. And what about tax planning? Do you have a clear strategy to avoid those April surprises? Or do you still get that dreaded, "You owe $50,000 phone call each year? Smart planning today prevents panic tomorrow. Just like a garden, your CPA relationship needs care and attention to thrive. You don't plan to fail, but without planning, success can wither. The right CPA helps your dental practice grow stronger every season through proactive communication, strategic planning, and consistent financial checkups. So this spring, take a moment to reflect on your CPA relationship. Make sure you're working with a team that truly understands dentistry and helps you enjoy the rewards of all your hard work. Because when your financial garden is healthy, you can finally sit back, relax, and take time to smell the roses. Thanks for watching. If you find this information valuable, please be sure to check out our YouTube channel, like, comment, and subscribe, and share it with any of your dental colleagues because we're making better businesses in dentistry every day.